So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create instant charts without effort for specific box or you can say specific row or column on your Excel sheets. Now, in order to do it, just simply open an Excel sheet. For example, this is a blank sheet. Now, let's say I want an expanded chart for this particular cell right there. Now, just simply select that particular cell and press Alt plus F1 on your keyboard. Just simply press Alt and then F1 on your keyboard, and you'll notice that an expanded chart have been opened for that. Now here I can write anything. I can insert a column here as well, or I can do multiple things just by just on this particular uh, specific view folder that has been extended on that specific column of my spreadsheet. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.